Definitely a warmer day today with mostly cloudy skies later on, and the humidity has been up a little bit, so it's definitely kind of a cool but more of a damp feel outside. Could see some patchy areas of fog. The really only thing that's going to hinder that is we have pretty brisk winds which are going to stay up through the night. 63-degree dew point, so our current temperature of 66 really can't come down much more than it is at the moment, and that really is the same for most temperatures on the map as the humidity values are higher. Dew points are in the upper 50s and low 60s, and that's about as cool as we're going to get during the night. So starting out tomorrow morning, probably with temperatures, air temperatures, similar to where our dew point temperatures are at the moment. And dew points have been steadily on the rise, kind of plateauing over the last several hours, but that's about where they're going to stay. They're certainly not going to come down during the night and during the early morning hours before a cold front moves on through, and that wind may actually pick up a little bit in advance of the front. With the front itself, could see some showers and thunderstorms, but nothing like the severe weather we saw earlier in the week, especially in the deep south. That system is 2 hours north right now. You can kind of see the spin right here moving into North Texas, and that's where the bulk of the severe weather will be. In fact, look at this tornado watch box in effect for North Texas and into Arkansas, just barely clipping around the Shreveport area. That's where the bulk of the severe weather will be, near this surface low. For us, though, most of the models have not been very aggressive with our rain chances early tomorrow morning. Now, we'll likely have some scattered showers and maybe a few thunderstorms to start the day, and that'll be with us probably ending before the lunch hour. So 11, 12 o'clock, 1 certainly. Rain is gone, and it may be kind of delayed a little bit with the cooler air moving in later on into the afternoon and evening. Now, with that front, there is a low end risk of some strong to severe storms, and I really think this is more of just on the erring on the side of caution, bringing the severe threat this far south, because most of the energy and I think the real severe risk is going to be near that surface low and a bit farther to our north. Again, can't rule out an isolated strong or rogue severe storm, but most of it will stay to our north. Then our focus is going to turn not to the air that is coming out of the desert southwest in our direction, but up in the northwestern part of Canada. This is an air mass that is originating originally from the polar regions and the Arctic. This is surging south. This is going to bring in a winter blast for areas to our north, and for us, again, all things considered, pretty cold temperatures. Again, there has been that question of a little bit of that snow or rain maybe transitioning over to a little wintry weather. I don't think that's going to really be an issue, other than maybe the idea or the possibility of some black ice, where you've got that rain falls, freezes to the surface, and then you have reduced visibility, or not reduced visibility, but you cannot see it. And so that could cause some issues on the North Shore early Tuesday before all of the moisture is gone. And again, for wintry weather this far south, you have to have everything perfectly in line, and it just doesn't look like that will be the case. The cold weather is going to stick with us for a while. In fact, even our 14-day, 2-week temperature outlook calls for temperatures to stay well below average. Not the Arctic air hanging around this long, but certainly staying colder than average. High temperatures coming way down into next week. And again, talking about our fronts, the one tomorrow is not bringing in the hard freeze type temperatures. That is with the second front on Monday. So Tuesday morning, we're in the 20s and low 30s. I think Tuesday morning, the metro area is safe from a hard freeze, but everyone will need to protect the pipes on Wednesday morning, as North Shore temperatures will be in the teens, and we will probably keep the hard freeze type temperatures around even into Thursday morning. Kind of looking beyond our forecast, temperatures might peak a little bit on Friday, and then it looks like another reinforcement of that cold polar air on the way for even next weekend.